Erimar Industrial arose from the need for a reliable industrial machinery supplier. 28 years in the doors and windows industry. With inventory available for delivery at the time of purchase, excellent service and quality. In just 4 years of starting with Erimar Industrial, we have already positioned ourselves number one in the sale of industrial equipment for the manufacture of security doors and windows. Want to know more about us? Visit erimarindustrial.com. Our honesty and guarantee characterize us. Do you need a machine with special processes? At Erimar Industrial, we go from design to reality. Call us, we can help you.